the next is on how to remain, or the part with LDR is shared routines, or gumawa kayo ng shared routines, kasi routines create stabilities. Pwede kayo mag-set up ng oras para manood ng series or Netflix together, or paglaro kayo sa Messenger, diba? Meron laro sa Messenger, yung basketball or billiard. Palagi ako natatalo nun. Hindi talaga ako nananalo. Ayun. Or chika sa whole week na chika na, diba? Hindi naman yan mawawala yung chika sa buhay natin, na may tayo, may mga kilala tayo na pinapida sa work, yun, chika. Di talaga yan, parang feeling mo, alam na niya yung atis mo lang pinapida. Hindi relate. Yun, or sabay kayo kumain while video call, pansit-tunton, ganan, or ganon, or kahit iba, maglalaro kayo, or mag-Bible study, or mag-Bible study, or makikinig ng podcast, or manood ng YouTube, or Bible study, sharing on learnings, para more on learnings in life, or and or magsabay kayo mag-exercise, yoga, ganun, para hindi naman masyadong ma-feel na boring. At least that's the the ways on your day, pero screen lang alang. Ayun. Then tapos kung may mataas yung difference niyo ng oras, at least kahit, kasi yung iba, ang hirap din nung deep time difference, kasi pag umaga natin dito, gabi sa kanila, or tulog sila, ganun. But like one said, communication is a key in how, or kayo mag-usap on para paano mag-work through relationship, nandun pa rin. Then after that one, surprise and effort. Sino ba naman hindi natutuwa sa effort, diba? Hindi naman kailangan grande, or hindi mo kailangan gumastos na malaki. Minsan simpleng handwriting letter, kasi especially ang hilig ko magsulat, as in minsan na-record ko, and hindi naman sobrang bongga na flowers, hindi naman ganun, pero minsan girls really want to receive a flower, but like one said, ang dami ng ways na may deliveries na ganun. Simple effort, or na pasuyo, ganun, ma-happy na kami. And especially if yung hindi naman pwedeng babae lang yung bibigyan natin ng effort. Dapat sila din, kasi para ma-feel din nila na vinalue mo din sila. And knowing guys, alam natin na hindi sila magsasalita kung anong gusto nila. Hindi din sila palasalita na gusto namin ganyan. But knowing guys, they appreciate every single efforts that you make to them. Ayun. So, handwriting or love letter na sisend mo sa kanila through email, kasi diba malayo sila. They really, really, really ma-appreciate na yan nila. Or or kakantahan, ganun, depende. depende. Or gagawa kayo ng playlist sa Spotify, Sandbook. Kasi ito yung magic ng LDR. Small effort feels big. A simple voice natin saying, I love you, I'm proud of you, can make the whole day. At dun mo mapapanintili yung spark kasi naramdaman nila yung effort mo kahit gaano kalayo. So, yan yung sabi ko. And next is coping with missing someone. Ngayon, ito yung pinakamahirap. Paano kapag sobrang miss mo na siya? Let's be honest, yung mga gabi na mag-isa ka, yung mga araw na gusto mong may makasama, pero wala. Ang sakit, diba? Pero ito yung reminder, missing someone doesn't mean you're weak. It means your love is alive. Pero so don't let the sadness consume you. Instead, use the long as fuel or longing as fuel para mas mag-grow ka as a person. Explore hobbies, learn a skill, take care of yourself. Kasi kapag busy ka sa growth mo, hindi mo lang napapabuti sarili mo, pero napapakita mo rin sa partner mo na kahit malayo, you're building a future with worth sharing together. Yan yung sabi ko kanina, diba? Hindi naman kasi siya pwedeng hindi siya pwedeng kasi yan yung pinili natin, like said, hindi naman kasi siya yung opportunity kasi hindi kasi siya makikita in one place lang. So minsan hindi tayo dito sa lugar na to mag-grow, nasa ibang bansa pala or nasa ibang lugar. So yun, alangan naman hindi mo siya patatrabahuin or 'di ba dahil lang hindi mo kaya yung LDR. No, kasi there's a tendency na mabiblame ka niya. Kasi daming what if ginawa ko yun, or what if ginawa ko yun, what if tinuloy ko yun, ganun. So there's a tendency na mabiblame ka, and there's a tendency na maging toxic din kasi di naman pwedeng ikaw lang yung nagtatrabaho para lang maging masaya ka or mag-work. Yun, hindi. Yun. So, like one said, yung LDR is para lang yun sa strong person. And that, don't let the sadness consume you. Instead, use the longing as fuel para mas mag-grow ka as a person. At minsan, to cope with missing someone, just be honest. Sabihin mo lang, I miss you today, and that's okay. Kasi love doesn't mean you always have to be strong. Love also means being real. And next is trust and security. Last, trust. Ito yung foundation ng lahat. As in, without trust, hindi mag-work yung relationship niyo. And without trust, parang hindi siya mag-work. Parang ang hirap pag walang trust. Kasi, don't tell me, gusto mo lang mag-overthink everyday. Gusto mo lang mag-aaway kayo everyday dahil walang trust. And it's not easy. Alam nga naman, palagi ka lang nasa bahay or nasa kwarto lang, makikita mo lang yung four corners mo. Diba? Ang hirap kasi walang trust yung partner mo. And sobrang toxic nun pag walang trust. Kasi palagi kayong nag-aaway. Ang hirap kaya nun. Ayoko nang ganun. Ang hirap. And dapat dapat nag-uuban din kayo kasi minsan kahit merong trust na yung isang tao, but if walang proper communication din, minsan it really create commotion as well. Ang dami ding mapapag-awayan yan pag walang as in yun, kahit anong effort, kahit gaano kaganda ang communication nyo, kapag wala kayong trust at isa't iba, eventually mag-fade yung spark. Trust means giving assurance, but trust also means choosing not to doubt unnecessarily, kapag secure kayo sa isa, kahit gaano pa kalayo, hindi mawawala yung pagmamahal. As in, wala. As in, mawawala yung mawawala yung spark pag walang trust. As in, kahit naman hindi LDR, pag walang trust, hindi din naman mag-work. Diba? Yung parang nagkita kayo ngayon, tapos or nag-date kayo ngayon, tapos ilang minutes lang, saan ka na? Bakit wala ka pa sa bahay? Ang hirap yun. And it's really not for me. It's not my thing as well. As in, it's not my thing. And if gaganyanin mo ako, or saan ka na? O bakit? Oh my God. Goodbye, girl. Hoy, ang hirap kaya nun. Pero ako praning. Hindi kasi ako praning eh. Promise. Hindi ako praning. And, yeah, hindi ako praning. Once you, sinabi mo na, I'm busy, I'm good with it. As long as you sinabi mo sa akin at ipupunta ka ng mall, kahit hindi ko sabihin kung sino kasama mo, as long as alam ko, hindi ako mag-overthink. Kahit manunod ka pa na sino, basta make sure mo lang na totoo talaga sinabi mo. Kasi iba pa rin yung girl's instinct. Pero, yun. And, minsan, mahirap, may friend na, long distance relationship siya sa partner niya. Sabi niya, nung una, madali lang mag-trust, then eventually, parang ilang beses na siyang niloko ng partner siya. So, eventually, nawala yung trust. Ang hirap na yan daw yung pinaka mahirap na mawala. Pag mawala yung trust, parang hindi na siya yung relationship niyo is parang hindi na siya mag-work. Hindi na talaga siya mag-work. Kasi, especially girls, we have girl code talaga. And, kasi once na mawawala na yun, iba na yung relationship niyo eh. Iba na yung maging takbo ng relationship niyo. Yun lang. So, ayun guys. Long distance relationship will always be a challenge, but at the same time is also an opportunity. And I hope you learn from my podcast. And if you have a message, you can DM me so that I can, if you want, I can share you to the next episode, and you can comment kung anong gusto niyong pag-usapan. And I hope you enjoy and have a great day guys. Bye for now.